What is the Sicilian defense Lasker-Pelikan variation in chess? And let's get to the moves right quick. We got the move e4, c5 that initiates the Sicilian defense. After that, knight f3, knight c6, and then we got the move d4, c takes on d4, knight takes on d4, knight f6 attacking a pawn, knight to c3 protecting the pawn, then the move e5 is played. What is usually played is knight d to b5. After that, we got the move d6, bishop g5, a6, knight to a3. After knight to a3, b5 is played, knight to d5, bishop e7, bishop takes on f6, bishop takes on f6. Then we got the move c3 that is played, kingside castle, knight to c2, bishop g5, and those are the most popular moves in the Sicilian defense Lasker-Pelikan variation in chess.